Understanding natural language processing (NLP), simplifying communication with machines. Natural language processing is a fascinating field that allows computers to understand and respond to human language. While humans intuitively comprehend language, it's a complex challenge for computers due to the lack of strict rules, unstructured data, and contextual nuances. In recent years, NLP has made significant strides, leading to several practical applications in our everyday lives. Let's delve into some examples of how NLP is shaping our digital interactions. Understanding natural language processing (NLP), email filters. Example: Gmail's email classification. Explanation: NLP is used to categorize emails into primary, social, or promotional folders. This keeps inboxes organized and ensures important emails are easily accessible, enhancing user experience. Understanding natural language processing smart assistants. Examples: Siri, Alexa. Explanation: smart assistants recognize speech patterns, infer meanings, and provide relevant responses. They have become integral parts of our lives, assisting us in tasks like setting reminders and answering questions through voice commands. Understanding natural language processing (NLP), search results. Example: Google search predictions. Explanation: NLP in search engines predicts user intent and provides relevant results. It understands the context of queries, offering varied search suggestions and improving user search experiences. Understanding natural language processing (NLP), predictive text. Examples: autocorrect, autocomplete. Explanation: predictive text suggests words based on context. Learning from user behavior, it enhances typing speed, corrects spelling errors, and adapts to individual writing styles. Understanding natural language processing (NLP), language translation. Explanation: NLP enables accurate language translation by understanding sentence structures and idiomatic expressions. Modern translation tools provide grammatically correct translations, fostering global communication. Understanding natural language processing (NLP), digital phone calls. Example: Google Assistant making appointments. Explanation: NLP powers automated phone calls for scheduling appointments, systems understanding natural language, allowing seamless interaction and enhancing customer service. Understanding natural language processing (NLP), data analysis. Example: natural language interfaces in BI tools. Explanation: NLP is integrated into data analysis workflows, enabling users to explore data using natural language queries. It enhances accessibility, allowing non-experts to interact with data visualizations effectively. Understanding natural language processing (NLP), text analytics. Example: sentiment analysis tools. Explanation: NLP tools analyze social media comments and reviews to gauge sentiment. It helps businesses monitor customer opinions, improve marketing strategies, and enhance overall customer experience. Understanding natural language processing (NLP). Conclusion: natural language processing is revolutionizing how we interact with technology. From simplifying our emails to enabling complex data analysis, NLP is making our digital experiences more intuitive and efficient. As technology continues to advance, NLP will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of human-computer communication.